All right, so I just received this in the mail, so let's unbox it and see what it looks like. It's a Bubot 500P. It's a new model, and this is supposed to be like one of their top of the line deals. So there's this little thing here. Take a look and see what's in it. So anyway, I think that this will probably be the instructions. We're going to need to read those. So let's hang on to that, right? Don't want to lose that. And we do have what I believe is probably some accessories. I think they give you a hook. Yep, yeah, here it is. This is the stuff that you're going to need, you know, to power it, right? Set that there. And what else have we got in here? We've got the brushes that go on the bottom, and this thing they want you to wrap around it so you can pull it out of the drink, out of the pool. All right, so let's hang on to that. Let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so there it is. This is the machine. I think that this is the transformer you're going to need to charge it. I could be wrong, but it looks like it is. Let's take a gander. Yep, this is the transformer. You plug the other piece in there, and that, I believe, is going to go into the machine, probably. We'll figure that out as we go along. And then here it is. All right, so I think I got to get it out of here. Oh yeah, there she comes. All right, so I don't want to screw it up. So I'm going to grab it by the back here, and we'll get this prophylactic off of it so you guys can get a better look at it here. That's the machine right there. So now we just got to figure out how to use it. So let's go ahead. We'll slide the box out and set her down. All right, there it is. All right, so here's our machine, and I think they all work pretty much the same. They pull water in, push it out. This here looks like this is the charging port, right? So I'm thinking that this probably goes in there. If you notice, it's got a groove on it right there, so it's probably going to go with the groove up like this to charge it. So we'll have to do something like that. We'll do that inside. And the water's sucked up from the bottom. So let's take a look at it from upside down. Yep, there it is. And we've got to put our brushes in here, right? Those two brushes. And I believe that it kind of works the same way as the other robots, where I just come to the side and I kind of pull on it and it opens up like that. And there's the interior. And you can see that this one is really, I mean, it's beefy. And it's heavier. It's much heavier than the other one that I have a video on. So for me to get it apart, I pulled these and it kind of releases it. Let me just kind of set it here. And this also works basically the same. What happens is all the debris is sucked up, and it'll all be in this area here. And this filter is what keeps it, you know, from getting blown back into the pool. And that's basically it right there. Now we just have to try it out. Of course, step one will be charging it. So what I want to do here is I want to go ahead and put this back on just the way it was. Now we've got to get it back on there, right? So I'm not sure if it makes a difference which way you put it on, because basically it looks the same no matter what, right? I mean, it kind of looks the same. But I think that I'm just going to try to put it on the way it came off, just like this. And the deal is you've got to get these right here in these little spots here. You see that? See how there's little slats here? So those have to slide in there. So we've got to kind of like match it up, nice and easy. And then you should hear that nice loud sound. So when I lift it up like this, we should be good, right? So I guess we could go ahead and put our brushes in. And if you look, here's your brushes, right? You get two of them. Okay, and so if you notice, there's two little holes there, and if you look on these, you can see there's little things here. So all I got to do is kind of like get it in there, and then just push it, and they snap right in. Once they're in, though, they're in. So, you know, when you put them in, you got to get one side in, and then the other side should snap, just like that. And here's where the suction is. That's where it gets pulled in. So basically, that's it right there in a nutshell. Okay, now all we've got to do is charge it. So after you do charge it, always remember to put this back on, because you do not want that. You do not want that getting water in there. You follow me? So make sure that you do that. All right, so let's take it inside and we'll charge the thing, and then we'll try it on the pool. How's that sound?